What travels faster, light or sound?
Light. I want a Pokeball. What, in Pokemon they had Pikachu fireworks? Zach, did you just record everything I just said? I'll take that as a yes. Ooh, shiny. Yes, I know. The sky just lit up because of it.
You can tell how the wind's really affecting them. Hello.
This video. Wrong colors. The light comes before the sound. Said something about like what you say? You said something about sound and light. Fizzy stuff. Is that a flower? Looked like a flower. Oh well. A fire, a squid. I thought that was a lizard. I don't like squids. They look like
I think this is the first time we've all watched fireworks together.
No, it's not. We've done it before.
All four of us?
Yeah.
When?
With Zach's people on YouTube. Dad, I'm doing a video.
That's okay.
Nice. Everybody, that was my dad. And Zach's dad. Whoa. You made me miss the fireworks. That butterfly. How long do these last? How much does this cost? Yep, Minecraft. They can be invented in Minecraft, you just need a whole lot of gunpowder.
And who invented fireworks?
I don't know.
Chinese.
Okay. My new discovery for the day. Yeah, but that never really worked out. No. People on Zach's YouTube channel must be thinking that we're a really talkative family.
Or they might be thinking,
You'll make him upset.
Zachary has a sense of humor, don't you, bud?
He is already upset.
He's
Trying
not.
to make a video.
Zach.
And he just screamed silently.
He's laughing, and
He
Zachary.
did not laugh.
That's teasing, right? Probably.
This is a big finale. I'm disappointed.
Maybe.
Just saying, I expected like fireworks lighting up the entire sky.
Yes, very much.
Maybe next year we'll go downtown. You guys can watch it from downtown. It's a lot
And
more.
she started crawling and she
Dramatic?
Yeah.
I'm in.
walking, but you have to be there hours and she gets jealous and over concerned.
Okay, that's kind of grand finale I was expecting.
Sasha, go back.
I wonder how could it be if I was watching from Innovation or from Xerox? Yeah.
We have? Wrong colors,
What's that?
guys. Let's all go in the house and watch them. I realize that they can't see it. Oh well. Yeah, Zach, don't delete that video when you're done telling him something.
You good, Zach?
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
That tower is in the way. Can I go up? No? Okay.
Not a bad show this year. Not a bad show.
Yeah.
Now they show the building blowing up.
One year was good. Yeah, years were like Star.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Moon.
Yeah?
Yeah. Marsh. Like
Really?
yeah, all the, yeah. That's like that was nice. Like a
Yeah.
pace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that
Nice.
it?
Well, I think the wind was really affecting it this year.
Uh,
I think the wind
yeah.
was really getting it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Bright colors. But aren't they like only useful once? Then why would they like set them off? Oh, okay, I see what you're saying now. It's purple. Boom, boom. Looks like Draco Meteor. His Pokemon move. Dragon type. Has a power of 140. It's strongest Dragon type move there is. And no Pokemon can learn it naturally. They have to be taught by a move tutor. And the moves will only be taught if you have a very strong bond with the Pokemon learning it. And you can only learn it if it's a Dragon type move. And, you still going?
Peace out.